How to find the focus of a parabola when given an equation in vertex form. Alright, so recall the general equation of a parabola in vertex form is y equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Okay, so the simple part is finding the x value of the focus. The x value is simply whatever this h is. But notice this equation is minus 9 here. Okay, so that means you have to take the opposite sign to get the x value. So since in this equation it's a minus 9 here, then the x value is actually a positive 9. Okay, so if this was a plus 9, then the x value would be negative 9. Okay, so now we have to find the y value of the focus. All right, not the vertex, but the focus. All right, so we use this equation, y equals k plus 1 over 4a. Okay, and we simply substitute. So I got negative 2 is k, and then negative 4 is a. All right, so if I multiply this, it becomes negative 16. So this is negative 1 over 16 here. And since this was negative 1 over 16, this is negative 2. I'm going to combine them, and I get negative 2 and 1/16. So this is the value of the focal point of the vertex. I'm sorry, of the parabola. And that completes our problem.